Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the electric feet and foot vial by TEAMYO. It is waterproof, it is for hard skin removing, and it is rechargeable. It's a lady shaver, wet and dry, painless for women. It's a razor, a bikini trimmer with 4 heads and 2 speed options. Callus remover, foot pedicure tool with LED light. So you have here one device for all your beauty steps on your foot or under your arms to remove some hair. 4 heads. It is an electric foot pedicure kit and also a woman's razor bikini trimmer. We just need to replace the different heads and get different experience. It comes with 4 different heads. One fine roller head for daily food care. One coarse roller head for removing food dead skin and cracked callus. One curved razor shaver head for helping customize hair shaving on our face, arms, legs, etc., armpits and bikini lines. And one epilator for a woman with a wide pivoting head for easier and more efficient hair removal. But this hurts a little bit. What is it? But this is normal. It is the way it is. Electric foot file for hand, skin. Rechargeable waterproof hard skin remover for both wet and dry, cracked fade. One fine roller head and one coarse roller head in this set. Foot file, foot care pedicure tool to help us to remove hard skin and meat on our callus removing. What our feet is going to need is one callus remover like this. This tool helps us to remove the hard skin and meat all of our feet, of our hands, or in other locations on the body. 360 degrees rotation to automatically remove the foot, heal cracked, dry, hard, dead, and thick skin. Calluses easily in minute to rejuvenate our food, making it elegant, healthy, and sexy. Enjoy a fast, painless food spa. Painless and non-irritating electric razor for women. The TEAMYO electric lady shaver. Of course, if you are a man, you can use it too, or you're between a man and a woman. It's okay too for you. No problem, okay? We have 3 ultra sharp blades. This will deliver 27 degrees perfect cutting angle for as a close cut as we are not going to achieve. It is for tackling our legs, underarm or bikini areas without contorting at awkward angles. Adopts hypoallergenic 3D floating foil that is gentle on sensitive skin, gilding gently along our body curves and contours without irritation worries. Round pearl combs to design to protect our skin from scratches. Of course, after you finish the work, you should take a little bit of cream on it, on your skin, to prevent from irritations, etc. 2 speeds and built-in LED light. The electronic cracked skin remover and woman's razor has 2-speed level. 1007 rotations per minute when low speed and 2000 rotations per minute when you are in setup high speed. It's really easy to adjust, only push the button. Low speed is suitable for the callus of hands and more delicate skin care. High speed is suitable for stubborn, thick callus and dead skin. 1 button operation to choose the speed you need. The hard skin removes and bikini razor built-in LED light with 300 degrees wide angle, which is especially for blind spots elimination. Very considerate to us. Fast charging and LCD display. The wet and dry hair remover pedicure tools, built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, fast 8 up to 10 hours of charging, allows 70 minutes shaving non-stop. The battery LCD display helps us to know easily how much battery left and when you have to recharge it. The low noise design of the shaver electric razor for women provides us with silent operation during shaving. It won't bother us, really. We will get a protective cover, of course. This is on the top side. A unique roller grinding head, a release button to remove the heads and replace the heads. We have one on and off switch, a charge indicator light, and a charging socket on the on the bottom side, where we can dock the line to get some energy into the battery. Then we have this adapter cable for it to get some energy from a USB port on your computer, on your laptop, on your power supply from your smartphone, etc. And of course, you can use the brush to clean your set easily. The callus remover is only for use on the feet and heels. Do not use the device anywhere else on the body. Use the callus remover only for purpose description in that areas. This is really important because if you are going to remove callus on others, maybe there is no callus. The most callus is on your feet and on your heels. No problem. And maybe on your hands too, okay, if you're a hard-working guy. Each head is recommended for one person only for hygienic reason. The head should not be shared with others, but this is up to you, as you like. Do not use if you have the diabetes or poor blood circulation. If we have a skin conditioner or other medical issues, please consult with your physician prior to use. Call the doctor. Do not use on skin for more than 2 up to 3 seconds at a time, because maybe you can gravel too deep with that device then. But it's the same like in others. It's normal. Do not use on skin that is red or irritated, inflamed, infected or blistered. Do not use on warts, on sores or open wounds too. Discontinues use immediately if we experience any pain or irritations. Stop if you feel some pain. Overcures may cause skin irritation, maybe. It's up to your skin, really. Seek medical attention if skin becomes severe irritations or bleed. Household use only. This Epilion is not intended for use by persons, including children, with reduced physical, sensory, or mental capabilities, or lack or experience and knowledge, unless they have been given supervisors or instruction, like that video, concurrence the use of the Epilions by a person responds to their safety. Yeah, this is the 4-in-1 electric hair shaver C6386 by TEAMYO. And it's a nice and not so expensive device, and I like it, and it was really painful because of the removing of my hair. But this is normal, it's not because of that device. All devices will get a problem with taking some hairs out of your skin. It's appealing. It's normal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.